Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's a dessert, it's super easy to make and very sweet and delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. In a pan, add the first ingredients. First of all, 6 tablespoons of sugar, then 8 tablespoons of semolina and 1 package of strawberry pudding. Let's mix it together. Then add 1 liter of cold milk and let's mix it together. Now let's put it in the heat and start cooking it. Being thicker, continue mixing. Then take it out of the heat and leave it so it cools down. Then continue mixing until it has this consistency. Now use some gloves and water to make the little balls. And roll it using your hands. Then roll the balls into some coconut flakes. When it's all done, let's plate it and present it. It's a very easy recipe, super delicious, and I'm sure you have never made it. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, try it out and tell me how it went. And give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.